10/21, March 16th on Bergen Avenue. It's beautiful out here. I can see an airplane way up there in the very, it's really, really cloudy, like fog. He's up there really far under the light. It smells like rain out here. Like just before it's gonna start raining. Or if it had previously like rain just a little bit. Cars don't look wet. It looks a little wet on the ramp. But I think that's from prior. See how wetness there. Wetness in the corner over there. The roads kind of look wet. They're not dry. Must have rained. It smells like rain out here. It sounds like thunder. Unless it's a jet. Could be a jet airplane I'm hearing. But it's so nice out here. I could sit out here like this in a t-shirt. Not cold at all. This makes you miss real life, normal life. Me being paralyzed, can't move my left side, making me miss being able to come out here and walk around and do something. Back like normal life. Doesn't got his wheelchair wipers on, so must be not raining at all. But the air is so nice and clear, fresh. Take a nice breath out of this. Don't know what that sound is. Sounds like thunder. That sounds like the roar of thunder to the east.